Hello. So good to meet you at our global motivational meeting. We are reading World Scriptures book, these God's words that inspire billions of people, families, communities, countries, and the whole world. And will help you to just read these quotes and practice in daily life. Think about them, that God could give you tips for happy life and prosperous future. As we read in this holy book from the beginning, please find all the chapters at our Message to Build channel. And turn on suggestion playlist, choose the best one for you and listen God's words. Stay blessed all the day. As we're reading this holy book from the beginning, please find all the chapters at our Message to Billion channel. As we're reading now about the societies and now about prophet and messengers, let's read further what God prepared for us today. A prophet is given through visions of the future. First quote: surely the Lord God does nothing without revealing his secret to his servants, the prophets. Write the vision, make it plain upon tablets, so that he may run who read it. For still the vision awaits its time. It hastens to the end, it will not lie. It will, if it seems slow, wait for it. It will surely come, it will not delay. O Lord, your power is greater than all powers. Under your leadership, we cannot fear anything. It is you who has given us prophetic power and has enabled us to foresee and interpret everything. Further, let's read quotes from the Community. 50 years ago, I spoke visionary words, for example, that in the future, people could travel the world in a single day. People then ridiculed me as a madman, but they all fell away. Some even went crazy. For the past 50 years and throughout my life, I prophesied their rise and fall of the world. I am today's representative prophet, representative educator, and representative loving parent, and I am rising to the position of a representative honor. I can predict the future of America and the future of Asia because we have been doing things that are needed for the distant future. It has been difficult for you to follow, to believe, and to act, but with every passing year, you are gaining a new understanding of the value of what we do. For decades, the Korean people attacked me and persecuted me, but the time that I had been working for has now arrived. Hence, now the Korean people have changed their attitude. I predicted the communism could not last beyond 73 years, and that is precisely what happened. The disappearance of communism from the face of the earth is not the end of war, however. The more difficult struggle is a struggle between religions. I have been warning more about the danger of religious war between Islam, Judaism, and Christianity. I predicted it more than 50 years ago. So powerful quotes for today. If you have difficulties, please watch one more time this video. Share this video as we end this billion happy life. Subscribe, it's marathon. Subscribe and contact me for consultation, cooperation, and become a member of this family, parents, holy community globally. Receive family kingdom citizenship right now. See you tomorrow with more powerful quotes. Till then, turn on suggestion playlist, choose the best one, and listen God's words. Stay blessed all the day. For now, bye bye. Yours, Nicolae Cirpala.